If you're looking for a foldable mattress, this could be it. This is the memory foam Trifold mattress. It is 4 inches. It did come vacuum sealed, so I just barely cut the bag open. So I'm going to lay it out and show you up close. It also comes with a nice carrying bag with handles here, so you can take it on the go with you wherever you would like. So as you can see, it's a trifold, so I'm just going to unfold this and lay it out here. It is nice and thick. There is some good padding here, and this is going to be great for outdoors and just camping or putting in your backyard. Kids can play on it, your pets can lay on it, or it could even be for a guest bed, or you can even throw it in your car and do car camping too, or it could even just be kind of more of a sofa cushion or like a yoga mat. You could meditate on this. So lots of different ways to use this. And as you can see, it was quick to set up, and it has handles on the sides, which I will show you. You can see the handle right here, so it makes it really easy to carry it if you didn't want to use the carrying bag that it came with. And then there's also little side pockets, so you could slide something into there or even over here as well. And this is nice and versatile because you can just fold it up into a really small space, so you don't have to have a full mattress. And it's a nice, breathable, soft material. It's also stain resistant, and it has the little grippers on the bottom. There we go. So it's non-slip on the bottom here, and this is even machine washable. So you can throw this in the washing machine, which is fantastic. So this is going to be just a really nice memory foam mattress with lots of different uses. I was sent this in exchange for review. I hope it helps.